our channel. Anyway, what I'm going to do today, I'm going to have some mango left over, and I have orange, and I got ginger, and I got lemon. What should I make today? I'm going to make a few ingredients left over. I'm going to make your orange and mango and ginger and lemon juice today. Stay tuned. Alright, so first thing what you need to do, get some gloves. Alright, that's the first thing what you're gonna need to do. Get some gloves, and we're going to go into some serious business right here. Alright guys, lovely and nice. So I must say to you that, you know what I mean, we're gonna use one medium-sized orange, and I'm going to remove the skin from the orange. Alright, remove the skin from the orange. Cut it up very small and put it inside of your Ninja blender or your smoothie or whatever blender you're using. Then I'm going to have lemon. Piece of a lemon. Not too spicy with the ginger. Remove the skin from the ginger. But I cut it up very small. Put it straight inside of it like this. Remove the skin from the mango. So I'm using this fleshy mango. In Jamaica we call it Julie. Because Julie mango them always fleshy. Alright. After you do that, cut it up very small and put it inside of your Ninja blender. So I remove all of the skin from the mango because that's what I'm going to be using. So I need to remove the skin from it. Nice and lovely, right over there. So that's fine. Second thing, I need to get some honey. Remember, the mango and the orange is sweet, so you don't need to put a lot of honey. Then I'm going to put some water because I'm going to be straining it. Nice one. I'm going to blend this syrup for about 4 to 5 minutes, the least. Not too long. Nice one. It. All I'm going to do is just remove my Ninja blender. Lovely and nice. So what I'm going to do, you can always use a fiver. Nothing wrong if you want to use a fiver, but sometimes I don't like the fiver. I like to strain it and just use a natural thing. So I'm gonna run it through my strainer. So remember, this one is just orange and mango. So basically this one will come out really lovely and nice. See, not too bad with the fiver, but I still don't like it. I like to have it really natural. Just gonna take a little time. If you have a good strainer, even better. So I just have to use what I have at the moment. Nice and lovely. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna run it straight through his strainer same way. Get that nice, lovely, natural juice from it. This is for Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. And as I said, guys, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We will be having the best ever recipe coming out now. New ideas and new recipe will be coming up soon every day. As I can see, this is just natural and lovely. Really, really, really nice. Look at that, beautiful. And that is just the orange, you know, because the mango will definitely go away. Really nice. Yes, get it out, Chef Ricardo. Get it out. Really nice, as I can see. It's amazing. It is amazing, guys. These are some natural real juice, and it is coming up to summer. Now it's spring, but summer is just around the corner. Look at this. This is exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. I have some ideas, recipe will be coming for you guys. Honestly, you're gonna love it. Mango and orange with ginger and lemon and honey. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, a lot more things will be coming. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Google plus me and get your favorite.